Okay, we've been hearing one major rumor about the upcoming Galaxy S26 series, that Samsung is getting rid of its Plus model and replace it with this new super thin phone called the S26 Edge. Well, that is not the case anymore, because that plan got just completely blew up, and the Galaxy S26 Plus is officially back in development. Yes, you heard it right. The Plus model is back because the current phone, the S25 Edge, is reportedly a massive flop. Let's just be blunt. The Galaxy S25 Edge did not sell. When Samsung launched the S25 Edge, they were trying to capture a new audience with a razor-thin, very premium-looking design. They were banking on it outselling the traditional S25 Plus, which has always been their weakest seller. But based on new reports from the Korean media, that gamble completely failed. To show you how bad it is, from September to December this year, Samsung is only planning to produce about 300,000 units of the S25 Edge. Compare that to the standard S25 at nearly 3 million units, or the S25 Ultra at 3.4 million. Even the old S25 Plus, the one they wanted to replace, is slated for a production run of 500,000 units in that same time frame. The numbers don't lie. The S25 Edge is simply not connecting with consumers, likely because that super thin design meant compromises, especially in the battery department. So this massive flop caught Samsung off guard, and they've made a huge last-minute decision. According to these news sources, Samsung has already started development on a fourth phone in the S26 lineup, internally codenamed M+. Yes, the Galaxy S26 Plus is officially being resurrected and is now likely launching next to the S26, the S26 Edge, and the S26 Ultra. This means the S26 family is going from a rumored 3 phones back up to 4 flagships. Now, this is where it gets confusing and frankly a little messy. If the S26 Plus is back, what happens to the S26 Edge? Right now, Samsung is developing 4 models, and sources say up to 4 models will be released. This means one of them could still get scrapped, and the prime suspect is now the S26 Edge. It's too similar to the S26 Plus in size, and clearly, the market prefers the Plus size. The bigger issue is redundancy. If we get both an S26 Plus and an S26 Edge, how is Samsung going to make them different enough for 2 separate audiences? We'll likely see the Edge keep its razor-thin profile, but that means a smaller battery. The Plus, on the other hand, should go back to a more balanced design and finally give us the bigger battery life that people actually want. Honestly, I'm a fan of choice, but I think Samsung is making a mistake by working on 4 different models. It just dilutes the focus. Instead of working on 4 good to okay phones, like the Ultra that might have a worse design, or the base S26 that barely gets any upgrades, they should be working on 2 or 3 great phones. They should have learned from the S25 Edge flop. What people want in a flagship is a big battery and meaningful upgrades, not just a thinner design. Let me know in the comments, are you happy the Plus is coming back? Or do you think the S26 Edge still deserves a chance? Drop your thoughts down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!